welcome back to our channel, Green Eyed Midnight. My name is Natasha and I am here with my dad from Pizza Wolf Magic.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Jason Riggs from Pizza Wolf Magic. How's everybody doing today? Today we're doing a little bit of a collaboration video, the Green Eyed Midnight with Pizza Wolf Magic, and I got a magic trick to teach you. It involves a coin. Hope you guys can see that pretty good. And a handkerchief. Natasha, do you have the rubber band?
And a rubber band.
Alright, so here's how it works. I'm going to step close so you can see. I take the coin and I place it under the handkerchief. Look, I want you to see that it's underneath the handkerchief. Can you see that? Now watch. Alright. Okay, Tasha, what I want you to do is I want you to see the coin there. I want you to stick the rubber band up around it. That way the coin can't get out. Good enough. Okay, so we got the coin here. And look, watch carefully. Watch carefully. As it melts. Slowly, slowly melts through. There you go. Through the handkerchief. Tasha, will you examine this handkerchief, make sure there's no hole in it? If it feels a little bit stiff, that's because I used it to blow my nose earlier. I'm only kidding, only kidding. Show the camera that there's no hole in the handkerchief.
None whatsoever.
And guess what, folks? And I'm about to teach you how to do it. Okay, the secret of this trick is simple. What you're doing is you're taking the coin and you're really placing it under the handkerchief. That's a simple and smooth move. It's really there. But the secret is, let me turn this way to you, is whenever you go to lift up the front, you take your behind it and you push part of the handkerchief down and you pinch the back of the coin where there's a fold like that. So you're sitting there and it looks like this. Then you show the coin is still underneath the handkerchief, but they don't realize you got part of the handkerchief pinched. And when you go like that, well, let me back up and do that so you can see. Whenever you go like that, pull forward, the coin's not really underneath the handkerchief because all the handkerchief just fell this way and the coin is actually already outside the handkerchief. So, at speed again, you're taking the coin and you place it underneath the handkerchief. You pinch it in the back, just like I showed you. You show it, then flip forward, and it makes it look like the handkerchief went over top the coin. Now here's the best part. Whenever you do this, you ask your volunteer to take the rubber band and place on it. So, as they place the rubber band on it, they're looking and they don't realize that the coin's outside of it because you still got the coin covered. Okay, so then all you got to do is slowly act like you're pulling it out of the handkerchief, which you're not. It's already out. Then show the coin. Then what I always like to do is I always like to have them examine the handkerchief. Then I say something funny like, oh, the reason why it's stiff is because I blew my nose on it. Pattern is very important. When you say something funny like that, they'll be like, ew. It'll get them thinking and the crowd will laugh. And there's all kinds of fun. I learned this trick back in like the 4th grade. And I never really used it that much. But it is one of my first tricks. So I wanted to bring it to you guys and I hope you enjoy it. This is Pizza Wolf Magic signing out, and I'll give it back to Natasha.
Alright guys, if you like our video, obviously click that like button, subscribe, and definitely go subscribe over at Pizza Wolf Magic's channel. Alright guys, you enjoy the rest of your day.